Hey, today I've got an interesting trivia question for you, and it's not really a pop culture science trivia question. This is more like a popular beverage science trivia question for you. So let's look at this. And today's question in a 2022 study revealed that maltose-negative yeasts could revolutionize the production of what beverage by unlocking new flavors and faster brewing? And so that answer is non-alcoholic beers. So, what's interesting? Usually, when you make a non-alcoholic beer, it requires some expensive technology and some vacuum distillation apparatus, and it's not something that home brewers can usually take advantage of fairly easily. Maltose-negative yeasts actually are kind of revolutionizing this, and they're emerging as quite the transformative tool to be used in the production of non-alcoholic and low alcohol content beers. And that offers brewers a biological method to control alcohol content while also enhancing their flavor profiles. So this could actually give us better tasting non-alcoholic beer that will not get you drunk, and you don't have to worry about driving home after drinking it. Keep in mind also that most non-alcoholic beer is actually very low alcohol. It usually is 0.5% or less, whereas most other alcoholic beers are usually in the range of 3 to 5%, and in some cases they get up to 10 or 11% for some of the high gravity beers, right? So this provides some brand new technology, which is fairly useful, and it should give us a lot of interesting options, especially for home brewers. And some of these yeast strains are, there's one that's commercially available called Alal Brew, or Lona, Lona, and that's actually a hybrid Saccharomyces cerevisiae strain that's developed through classical breeding techniques, and that ferments simple sugars, leaving maltose and maltotriose unfermented. And so then you get a little bit of fermentation, but not as much, less than usually about 0.5%. There's another strain of S. cerevisiae called CCM 9181, and that was originally a wine yeast, but it's been identified in its potential for non-alcoholic beer production. And so it doesn't ferment maltose as well, and that also provides a good non-alcoholic beer. So that's very interesting.